Hello, hello. This is the My Artifact episode number 2384. Today date is 21st February 2021 22 वाजले आता रात्रीचे 10 वाजले आहे. Last time I make Artifact episode at 20 February. So yeah, yesterday I make Artifact episode. Yes, but I didn't really talk properly, okay, because of that key I was actually thinking about something, and so whatever, I don't want to talk about this right now as also. Okay, so I have to submit my project at 25 February, okay, and today date is 21st February, okay. So that means this is the end of the 21st. Tomorrow 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th. That means I have just a 4 days to complete my project. And the progress that I can see is really nothing, like literally nothing. Yeah, it's just like I completed project almost like 20%. 80% is remaining. 80% is remaining. Okay, and so like what is exactly like yesterday I planned that today I will complete the my editing and the voice over the first segment, but it didn't really complete. Why? What is exactly happened? So in this week, okay, like from the last project to this project, okay, in this last like 10 days I was actually more focused on my gaming channel, okay. Like actually I was playing games, editing games, okay. There is a one whole day I would spend just for the editing my game video, okay. And then after that, day before yesterday, I the whole day is actually spent on the making thumbnails, okay. But there are some sort of time pass I did, and that's why there are so many time I spend on something which is really not really important to me. So I'm actually like what is exactly is this thing ki I don't want it to do my editing. Yeah, I just feel that ki playing games or editing games or making thumbnails and all those things are actually making me something that कि हाँ ये तो बहुत आसान है, अच्छी है. एंड लाइक सिंपल थिंग है ना कि जो भी चीज़ें आपको करने में बहुत ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट लगती है ना, वो चीज़ आपको और आगे आगे करना, यानी वो करना आप टालते हो. यानी if things is kind of like a bit really difficult for you, then you are try to ignore that thing always, and this is really not good, okay. क्योंकि ये एक this is really not so good because of that कि if you think that कि you are something really bigger person in your life, most of the bigger person is actually made who are tackle those difficulties, and having a difficulties or facing those difficulties is really really important for your career, craft and everything, okay. Like basically you will not be, you just understand yourself that you will not be able to earn any money from your playing games. It will be not, it will be definitely not. uh-huh. So समझ रहा है ना तू, क्योंकि like so many people uploading their gameplay in various format, but there are just a very little bit of people in game industry who will actually get successful, okay. Why? Because there are so many people who are uploading gameplays and all those things. And so I am not saying that ki you should not able, you cannot upload your games. Upload, yeah, just like, but make the priorities ना, कि importance अभी क्या है. Importance है, you have to upload your videos. Okay, like basically you shifted your weekly to twice in a month. That means like you have to upload 7 days. Right now you are uploading after 14 days. So do you realize na कि you are taking too much time for completing your project. Okay, just try to look for the future. Okay, like if you are making your project 4 times in a month, but right now you are making just 2 times in a month, in a year actually you have to upload 52 project, but you are actually uploading 24 project, 24 maybe 25 project. So obviously, if and at the beginning of the YouTube career, you should have to be more focused on your increasing your content more and more, because having more and more content, it will be really helpful for the audience and the, yeah. And if you think that end of the year you have to go to the Pune and you have to earn little bit of money from the YouTube, you should have to be focused on this thing. Okay, so I decided that ki from today I will not be able to play games till the end of my project. Okay, so if I wanted to play games, you have to complete your project, okay, soon as possible. Okay, one thing. Another thing, when the next project is started, you should not edit your game video. You can play games, but it's just like you don't have to edit. Like I didn't really plan actually according to it. I have to plan. Then after that I will tell everything. But just now I decided that ki I will be not edited games every time. Okay, like basically you have to edit all those games in one single batch. Like you upload, yeah, like you play, like you have a content of 7 hours of gameplay, then you have to edit those games and export those games. But all those things happen, like I'm just actually focused on this project, so you will not be able to play any games till the end of this project. This is the final. Okay, so you have 4 days, whatever you have to do, make things much better. Okay, first. दूसरी गोष्ट, second, कि try to be focused on your edit and just try to complete your project soon as possible. I don't want to say anything. Is it? This then. Thank you. Okay.